Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Premiere Pro error compiling movie. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to press Ctrl plus A to select all the clips and now you just need to select the sequence on the top and select render selection. Now Premiere will begin rendering the selected clips in timeline and you just need to wait for it to complete. Once rendering is completed, you can able to export the video without having any problem. If this method failed to work, method 2, you just need to select the file on the top and select project settings and select general. In video rendering and playback, click on the drop down in render and select the software only option and click on OK. And now go to export, expand the video, select more option. Under encoding settings, click on the drop down in performance and select the software encoding. And now you can export the video without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.